Hack is live, guys. Big shout out to William for providing the link and at Deal Team 6, and big shout out to 360 Mods Sand Hacks for pointing this out. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be trying to find this deal. Guys, it's live. Go get them, all these hacks. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way you to their platform by subscribing and like. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the M18 18 volt lithium ion XC starter kit with two 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. Or actually just a charger, not a bag. Not a bag this year. So just two batteries and charger. So it's $199, guys. Yes, this is the real price. $199. So I understand that some stores it's a little higher. They will adjust the price as soon as they start rolling these deals in. This store, I believe, yeah, this one's the Camelback store. So this one, it's not a special store anyhow. So it's $199. That's a good deal. And then you can select a free gift with purchase. All right, you guys are gonna be surprised after what you guys see here. All right, so you got the M18. 5 amp hour starter kit, extended capacity battery pack at valued at $159. You can select, yes, the inflator. This is the new inflator. I just placed my order as of now because you guys will be buying all the inflators out there. All right, so M18 18 volt cordless inflator valued at $179. Yes, this is the new inflator. This is the big one, the more powerful one. Yes, guys, we got the rapid charger, the dual bay rapid charger as a free tool. You guys are able to get it. I didn't see this with the Black Friday deal, so this is something new to me. So you guys are able to choose that. You can select the quarter sheet sander valued at $149. The oscillating multi-tool valued at $129. You got the 450 CFM brushless handheld blower. I do got this thing. This thing's a beast. It runs through batteries like fast. So make sure you guys do have the 6 or bigger. That's when it's better. So $199. Got the fuel brushless angle grinder with paddle switch. It's a 4.5 by 5. So valued at $199. Got the fuel router, valued at $189. You get the brushless cordless drywall screw gun, valued at $169. You get the hacksaw one-handed reciprocating saw, valued at $169. You get the fuel brushless cordless jigsaw, valued at $199. You can get the Surge? Yeah, the Surge quarter-inch impact driver, valued at $169. Rubber LED AC/DC floodlight valued at $169, 4,000 lumen. That's it. So let's see here. Let's see what we got here. Let's select one of the items for $199. I'm gonna select the inflator because that's what I bought, and most of you are probably want to buy the inflator too because that's a newer tool. All right, so add both to cart. Allow. Alright, so the cordless inflator, guys, you're going to be able to get it for $94.24. That's a killer deal from $179, especially if it's a brand new tool. I paid for it, so I'm good with that. And the batteries are going to be around $104.76, guys. This is a great deal. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way you to rush the platform by subscribing and like. So help out this channel by doing so. And this is the inflator. This is the brand new inflator. In case you guys didn't know it existed, now it does. So this is the brand new inflator. I'll leave you guys the link to this deal down below in the description section of this video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.